Hey everyone, in this video, we shall learn how to fix the command auto-completion not working on a Linux machine. So you might come across certain Linux machines wherein you try to run a command and auto-complete it using tab and the command does not auto-complete. For example, if I try to install a Zabbix service on this machine and press tab, I not able to see the command options available for me. So in order to fix this issue, what you would need to do is you will need to install a package called bash-completion in order to fix this issue. So let's go ahead and run yum install bash-completion-yes. Once this package is installed, you need to log into your Linux machine once again and try running your commands again. As you can see, it auto-completed the Zabbix, and if I press tab again, it will give me further more options. That's it in this video. I'll see you next time. Thank you.